my sweet friends, it's Tanya. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and I would love it if you consider subscribing. Another Dollar Tree haul today. This has a lot of unusual items that I'm really stoked about, okay? So let's just hop on into this. Once again, I found another Power Stick body spray. This time it's in soft floral. It's dye-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, cruelty-free, which is really important to me, and vegan. It's 3.5 ounces, and it is soft floral. So let's see. This is another dupe for the Sol de Janeiro. That smells really good. I like this too. It's not my favorite one, but it is a good scent. So if you can pick this up, I hope you can find it, okay? Then, while I was in there, I saw these, and they come, it's a little, what do they call it? Pencil holder, but I thought it would be good to put in my craft room. I wish it was clear, like clear acrylic. That would have just been beyond. But anyway, I like this. Had it in pink, purple, I think green. But you can just put your pencils in there, and I tried it out at the Dollar Tree, and you really can just slide pencils in there. So I got me 3 of these because my little container that I keep on my desk is getting so full, it's hard to find anything. And I thought if I just line this up, I could color coordinate stuff on there or keep my pens and things like that in it. And I think it is great. And these were $1.25. Let me see. They're not marked, but they were $1.25. So this is a great find. You can see they're rather large. So I really love these. So I really hope you can find them because, woo, because they're very useful in a craft room. So I really wish Dollar Tree would come out with them, like I said, in the clear acrylic, okay? Then I found this. I have been looking for these. Winnie the Pooh kitchen towel. Is that not adorable? $1.25. It's Disney. I was shocked when I saw that. Still haven't found that bowl when they came out with the Winnie the Pooh bowl. But this is really adorable. And then they had this one. This one's not my favorite, but it's just gray and white. And it shows Winnie with his honey pot and the bees going up. And I thought, how cute, $1.25. So they have these 2. I can't wait to see if I can find something else that's very unusual. I mean, who would think you could find Disney at the Dollar Tree? I don't know. I'm loving the changes at the Dollar Tree. Now, I did notice, I was in there, I didn't get it, but they had this hose. It said extra, it said heavy duty hose. Now it was $10, and I was like, Dollar Tree, you're starting to push it, but I did notice that, okay? Then while I was in there, I found some really neat stuff. Melvin saw this, and we were in the checkout line, and a man said, what is that? And Melvin told him it's a folding pruning saw. Now it was $5. And that man said, that looks interesting. I'm gonna have to go check me one out. And Melvin told him where to find it. So it looks really great. I don't know. It's 7 inches and it's folding action, soft grip handle. Ideal for trimming larger shrubs or small tree branches. So Melvin can't wait to try this out. He's so funny. He loves all the tools in there. He likes to do a little test drive with them. So I'll report back what he thought of this folding pruning saw. But if it's good, that'll be great. Let me see if I can just see how sharp it is without cutting myself. Oh, it's a lever. it unlocks, which is great for safety. And there it is, and then it locks. That feels sharp. That looks like it could do something. So if you, and then it locks back. This would be a great Valentine's Day gift. Of course, by the time you see it, Valentine's will be over, but it would be a great Father's Day gift, anything like that. So I'll report back, like I said, and let you know what Melvin thought of this, but he cannot wait. He's been asking me about this. Have you hauled that yet? Because he cannot wait to try this out, okay? Then I saw this Easter, you get 4 yards for $1.25 of this Easter ribbon. Thought it was so pretty with that green and then that little bit of glitter like. It's like more like iridescent. It's not glitter, it's iridescent on the edges. So I love Dollar Tree ribbon, great find. Then I saw this Mermaid Be Pure Mermaid Face Mask, okay? 0.68 fluid ounces. It's citrus scented and you get 1 mask, okay? For $1.25. So I'm loving the Be Pure line. It's awesome. Then I saw this. Check this out. Is this not adorable? This little bucket, it was $1.25. And it has these beautiful little bees on them. And then this is cream. I can just imagine putting like some greenery in here or a garden ball. Matter of fact, let me get a garden ball and we'll look. Okay, check this out. Dollar Tree, little planter, $5, greenery from Hobby Lobby. And look how expensive that looks. I love the Dollar Tree. I really do. They are beyond blowing things away. So I picked that up. Then we needed some more chip clips. I'm going to try these. I don't know how good these are, but for $1.25, you got 3. I thought I'd just try them out, okay? So, and they're also good if you craft, all right? Then I found some of this LA Colors. It says it's new, strawberry Froyo lip balm, okay? And it's 0.176 ounces. So I thought that would be nice to have. And then I saw some floral lip gloss by Be Pure, okay? And it was $1.25. So is this lip gloss. I mean this lip balm, if I didn't tell you. I love that, so pretty. And let's see. Look at that with the little flowers. Is that inside? Those flowers are actually inside. Wow. That's different. Smells like strawberry. That is different. I've never seen anything like that, okay? All right, that concludes my Dollar Tree haul for today. I really found some amazing items. Check your Dollar Tree out because it seems like every time I go in there, there's new stuff arriving. They're putting it out. And some of you have told me that your Dollar Tree or Dollar Trees are just terrible. Maybe they'll get better. I hope, because mine is actually starting to be very organized. Like I said in a previous video, when you go in there, it's neat, it's well organized. May have something to do with the manager. I know we did get a new manager. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Now let me go get Maggie and let her say hi to you. Well, here is the baby, conked out with Mom, as usual. She said, I love you all, but I love my sleep, and I double love my mama. So until next time, bye guys.